So skipping the long intro, you can find the link to this eyebrow kit in the description below. As you can see, I already did the right brow, and now I'm going to do the left brow. And before doing this video, I haven't had my eyebrows done in almost a year, so please excuse the bushiness. I already shaped up my right brow and applied the tint, so now I'm just removing it so that you can see the difference between my brows with the tint and without. My eyebrows are already thick, mainly because I haven't touched them in so long, but I decided to apply the tint anyways because the ends of my eyebrows are thin. In the brow kit comes 3 items: the dye, the activator, and the application brush. You're going to apply 2 centimeters of the dye and 5 drops of the activator in the little bowl thing that's in the middle of the plastic thingy-majigger, and mix the two until the consistency is a little thick but still smooth. So what is a beauty video without a little Fenty promo? By the way, all the products on my face is from Fenty. My makeup collection is like 90% complete with Fenty. Still working on that last 10% until I am Fenty complete. But if you want me to do a makeup video with all my Fenty products, just let me know in the comments and I will definitely fulfill that request. But I digress. So back to the main point of this video. Here you can see I'm applying the tint to my left brow. The disappointment in my face is from realizing that my brows are not even. But then again, brows are sisters, not twins. So moving on. Yeah. So here I'm just applying the rest of the tint that is left over to my right brow that I already did, because Jessica wastes nothing. No. But yeah, you're gonna apply it and then leave it on for 10 minutes. 10. Yeah, so I know my brows are far from even, but the power of concealer will hide that flaw later. So I'm going to leave this on for 10. Hey, go Jazz, 10 minutes. Okay, so enough cutting up. 10 minutes has passed and I am removing the tint from my brows using the same MAC makeup remover wipe that I used in the beginning of the video. I am a frugal consumer, so I love that one of these wipes goes a very long way. Okay, so this concealer is the only product on my face that is not Fenty. It is a Becca concealer in the color Trackle, or however you say it. I will also leave a link to this below in the description. I have been using Becca for under my brows and as an eyeshadow primer for some years now because of its thick consistency and because I'm not about to spend money on an eyeshadow primer when this works just as good. Again, I remind you, I am a frugal consumer. Also, as you can see, I have not shaded in my eyebrows or applied any brow pen. After applying the tint, the only thing I need to do is apply concealer to hide the fact that my brows are uneven, and voila! I am just going to apply lashes and take down my hair and show you guys the final look. So I decided to save all the unnecessary talk for the end of the video because what I hate the most about watching tutorial videos is having to skip through all the unnecessary talk in the beginning just to get to the actual tutorial. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see on my channel or anything you'd like me to review. Also, my hair is from Amazon. I was placed in AliExpress jail, so I didn't have much of a choice. If you want a separate video of me giving the details on this hair, just let me know in the comments below. And by the way, this is my first time making a YouTube video. Thank coronavirus for that. I have been locked up inside my house with too much extra time on my hands, so here you go.